Hope you're doing good. This is the new set of videos where you would be learning about generators, decorators, iterators, and few more new and uh, good concepts. Not good, advanced concepts. All concepts are good concepts, definitely, in Python. So now, iterators are objects that can be iterated upon. So let's talk about Python iterators. Okay, so I'll just quickly refactor and rename it to iterators, iterators. Okay, cool. So now iterators are the objects that can be iterated upon. Like there is something which is known as underscore underscore iter underscore underscore. This is an iterator. Okay, actually, let me tell you that iterators are everywhere. Like we have before used it in we have used for loop, right? But it is actually hidden inside that. Okay, so now iterators in Python is simply an object that can be iterated upon, an object which will return the data one element at a time. Okay, so now iterating through an iterator, let's try doing that. Okay, so let me just create a list one and let me give it few values. Okay, and I guess one more. All right, so I've given it the values. Now what I want to iterate through iterator. So now I'll just do something. My iter, this is my iterator, and there is a function that is this iter. What do you want to iter on? You need to iter on list one. Okay, so if I do this, if I write this and print my iter, have a look what it gives. What did it say? List iter object at this place. It's giving you the memory, right? Now, if I write something like next iter, any idea what will this give? 1. If I run this again, nothing else, but let's try copy and pasting it, just being lazy and running it again. So it gave me 1, 2. That means the second element. Now, if I write this down again, then it's 1, 2, 6. Let's do it 2 more times and it should complete the list now. Now, what if I do it once more? It's not there. Stop iteration. It just tells you in its way that there is no next thing to iterate on. This will give you error. Okay, and it will then stop iterating. Now, the same thing, like you can definitely do the same thing with the help of a for loop. As we know, for like I'm just putting this, we are just doing under the hood like this. For I in list 1, we are print I. This is what we are doing under the hood. If I talk, this is what we are doing under the hood. If we talk about this, okay, so that's what's happening. Okay, so this is about iterators. We can definitely build our custom iterators, but let's not go into that advanced level right now because we won't be needing it right away to work with. Okay, there is also a concept of infinite iterators. If you want to search more on it, definitely do give it a look. But I'll stay here, stop here for iterators. This is but you, because you just need to know about the concept that what is the iterator or this function iter doing. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next one and let's learn about generators. Have a good day.